So guys, for the first step, you're going to head over to search and type in services. Click on it. And then once you're on this, you're going to click on any service one time and then click on W on your keyboard. Now you're going to find Windows Update. You're going to scroll down till you find Windows Update. Here it is. Double click on this. Make sure that you have the startup type on automatic and then click on OK. Now you're going to double click on Windows Update again and then click on Start, which is now going to start the service. Make sure that you have Windows Updates on both automatic and running and then click on OK. And now you're going to click on Restart. It's now going to restart the Windows Update service. See if this fixes your problem. If that's still not working, for the next method, you're going to head over to search and type in Troubleshoot Settings. Click on it. And then once you're on this, you're going to click on Other Troubleshooters. Now you're going to find Windows Update. Click on Run. And now this will come up. You're going to click on Next. Wait for this to load. If it detects anything, it will try to fix it for you. See if that works. For the last method, you're going to head over to search and type in CMD. Now you have to run it as administrator. And then click on Yes. And then once you're on this, you're going to type in sfc /scan now and then click on Enter. Then you want to run the scan. Wait for this to load. I'm going to skip the video to when the scan will be fully completed. And then once that's been done, we're now going to type in DISM /online /cleanup -image /restore health. Click on Enter again. You now want to run this scan as well. Wait for this to load. And then once that's been done, you just want to restart your computer. And then the problem should be fixed.